So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you about how you can download mods in your Minecraft game. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what you have to do is you open Chrome. Now you have to go on CurseForge. If you're on Minecraft Bedrock, make sure to enter Bedrock here. Now click on browse all and download any mod you want. Let's suppose you want to download this mod. Just click on this and don't download it directly. First you have to check your game version. Let's suppose I want to download for 1.2 1.10 130. So just click on it and it will give you two files. Just download any which would be latest. Just click on these three dots and click on download file. Once you do this, your download will be started in 1 second, and it will ask you where to download it. Just click on desktop and click on save. Now what you have to do is just run this file. Once you run this file, it will automatically open Minecraft, and now what you have to do is you have to turn these settings on for some mods to work properly. Add-on creators options, just turn everything on below add-on creations. Now go on resource packs and you have to click on available. Once you click on available, you will find your mod which you just downloaded and you have to install it. You have to just click on activate and it will be installed in your Minecraft Bedrock. So yes, this is how you can install mods in Minecraft Bedrock. If this video was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.